is calling 2021 CR 7552 State versus Guillermo Mejia Ortega. Can I have parties announce?
Rick Pena for the state of Texas.
Robert Maurer for defendant, Your Honor.
And are you Mr. Guillermo Mejia Ortega?
Yes.
All right, we have an interpreter present. Okay. Could you
So let's sum this up. Ortega enters a plea that locks him into a felony record and automatic deportation, while Resendez loses his probation and heads to prison for 2 years, all in the span of one hearing. 2 very different defendants, 1 courtroom, and 2 lives permanently altered. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.
raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear and affirm you will faithfully translate from English into Spanish and Spanish into English, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Guillermo, all of the documents I'm going to review with you are in English. Were those documents explained to you in Spanish?
Yes.
All right. And Mr. Maurer, do you speak Spanish?
No, Judge, I do not, but my office manager is fluent in Spanish, and I've been able to, he does speak some English, so I've been able to communicate with him. We just wanted to make sure that the plea was not problematic by having the translator.
All right. So, counsel, have you received all discovery and did you review it with your client?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Ortega, did you review the document entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
Yes.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Judge, we do.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Ashley Jones for the record, and no, Your Honor, we are proceeding on count 1 and waiving the remaining counts.
Any objection?
No, Judge.
Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
In count 1, you're charged with aggravated sexual assault of a child. That's a first-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 5 to 99 years or life in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering this plea you're giving up those rights?
Yes.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes.
Yes.
Did you understand that the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication? If for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to life in prison and up to a $10,000 fine.
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
He does.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, ma'am, I believe he is.
Sir, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
Did you understand if you're not a U.S. citizen?
This is where it gets even more serious. Ortega isn't a U.S. citizen. The court makes it crystal clear. No matter what happens with sentencing, his conviction will mean mandatory deportation. His own lawyer admits the family chose not to hire an immigration attorney. Think about that. Facing life in prison and guaranteed removal from the country, yet no specialist on the team. Would you risk your future like that?
By entering into this plea, you will be deported, not allowed to re-enter into the United States, and denied naturalization.
And Judge,
Yes.
if I could put on the record, my client has an ICE hold. He is here illegally. He understands he's going to be deported no matter what happens with this case.
And did you review the Did you have an immigration attorney speak with him or?
No, Judge. I've talked with the family. They didn't want to hire an immigration lawyer, but he is here illegally. He wants to be deported. He's just waiting for the results of this case so he can go back to Mexico.
All right. And Mr. Mejia Ortega, you do understand that a plea in this specific case will result in deportation?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain agreement with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to the plea bargain agreement, punishment is to be assessed at a cap of 10 years. There's a $1,500 fine. State is opposed to your application. There's to be a lifetime registration for this case, and there's to be no contact with the complainant. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes.
Defense?
Yes, Judge, that's correct.
State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, are there any such motion?
No, Judge.
Then to the offense in count one, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence.
Yes, Your Honor. State would offer State's Exhibit 1 and all attachments.
No objections, Judge.
Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. All right, after reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding of guilt as you apply for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing or no?
No, Judge. We have a setting for November 10th for a PSI since it's an application for deferred.
All right, we'll come back on November 10th.
Thank you, Judge. May I be excused?
Yes. Thank you. And Ms. Abrams, that'll be a PSI. Do you need a TAP evaluation as well?
I don't think so. I don't think there's any allegations of any drug or alcohol.
All right.
Yes.
No, for example, if someone is charged with an offense here, they enter a plea agreement, and let's say they enter a plea agreement for time. Normally what will end up happening, what's supposed to happen, whatever time they've been sentenced here, they're supposed to serve out that time, and then they will be deported. So based upon what he's charged, he's going to be deported. Mm-hmm.
I gotta hurry. I gotta do some things. Oh, that's not good. Because usually they come back in.
All right, anyone else ready?
Yes. Okay.
All right, who's here on Jesus Resendez? And where's, come down, please. All right, the court is calling 2019 CR 0687 State versus Jesus Resendez. Can I have parties announced?
Rick Pena for the state of Texas.
Robert Brabant for Jesus Resendez.
And are you Jesus Resendez? Did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it? Are you the same Jesus Resendez Jr. who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2019 CR 0687 for the offense of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon on August 15, 2019 for a period of 8 years? Is that you? All right, state.
Yes, Your Honor, violation and condition number 2. On or about the 20th day of February 2025, in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Jesus Resendez Jr., did then and there fail to submit to drug testing as directed by the supervision officer in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that, true or not true?
State will waive the other violation.
Any objection to the waivers?
No objection.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 2, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 10 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 2? Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor. That is to deny the motion, alter and amend conditions to add a 120-day jail sanction along with the MRT course.
Right here, the judge lays it out plain. Ortega is facing one of the heaviest charges on the books: aggravated sexual assault of a child. That's a first-degree felony, carrying anywhere from 5 years to life. Notice how carefully the judge goes over every single right Ortega is giving up by entering this plea. These aren't just formalities. This ensures the conviction can't later be overturned on a technicality.
All
That's
right.
our agreement, Your Honor.
So I'm not inclined to follow the agreement. This is the second motion to revoke, and it's the same thing. So I don't think he's a good candidate for probation. So the court is going to find him guilty. The court will revoke. Does anyone have a recommendation for time?
State will defer to the court.
The minimum possible. No.
All right, probation. Has he done anything while on probation?
That he did his intensive outpatient treatment, VIP. He completed the sanction for the UA hotline. And 34 hours of community service.
Okay. Any objection to the court reviewing the previous stipulations?
No objection from the state.
No objection, Your Honor.
And I see part of his condition was no harmful or injurious contact with the complainant. Have there been any issues with the complainant since Mr. Resendez has been placed on deferred adjudication?
Judge, on the court summary, with the no harmful or injurious contact, it indicates no concern.
All right. Then the court will find you guilty, grant the motion. The court will sentence you to 2 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendants' Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
I'm getting credit.
All right, you do have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you're on deferred adjudication. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess, well, because it is a felony conviction and an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, we can go off the record. I appreciate the fact that you've done certain things since you've been on probation. That's why I followed the request from your attorney for the 2 years, but you're not following through, and we've been here for the same thing. So good luck to you, okay? All right, thank you.
Have a seat, sir.
Welcome back to the courtroom, folks. And buckle in, because what you're about to see is not your average plea hearing. We've got 2 very different defendants back to back, one facing life-altering felony charges and another fighting for probation he already blew. Watch closely. The legal twists, the judge's sharp reactions, and the shocking outcomes are all coming fast. Let's dive right in.